I'm Scotty.
Hey, I'm Melinda, and we are Simple Life Big Adventures.
Today we're on the Nickajack Lake, which is on the Tennessee River near Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Yeah.
And we're going to visit the Bat Cave.
The Bat Cave, you ask? Well, you'll have to wait and see.
So if you want to visit the Bat Cave, you will put in at Maple View Public Use Area.
Yeah.
If you can find it on Google Maps, and it'll take you right there. Once you put in your kayak, it's just a short trip to get to the cave to enjoy viewing the bats exiting the cave
at dusk.
Yeah,
you gotta wait for dusk, but it's just hundreds of bats that fly. Is it the gray bats?
I believe so.
The gray bats that fly out. So.
And it is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. The kayaks are more fun. But if you don't have a kayak, there is a boardwalk from the day use area over to the cave. So you still get to enjoy the bats if you don't have a kayak.
So it's kind of a disappointment because we can't go all the way up to the mouth of the cave anymore. When you actually go up to the mouth of the cave, you can see tens of thousands of bats flying out. It's very amazing. But we can no longer get that close, so you only see hundreds of bats flying out at a time. Hopefully we can find some old footage from our phones from several years ago when we was able to go up to the mouth of the cave and get some video and maybe add it to this video.